Good afternoon, Tint Wizards. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your review sites. Let's get right to it. From the dashboard, you'll want to click Reviews. You'll then click on Settings, and then Review Sites. From here, let's set up Google, which is very easy. All we'll need to do is type in the name of our business, and for this example, I'm going to use Sushi Jen. Verify the address, and then click Save. Now we have added your review sites. We'll go back to Review Settings, and you'll want to make sure to check the box to send automated review requests to your customers, and then Save Settings. So this is what your clients will see. They can choose which site to leave a review on, and if they do not wish to leave a review on any of those sites that you've added, they can click More Options to submit the review directly into Tint Wiz.